We have witnessed an all-time classic, and for the player of the match, it's one of the great innings in World Cup history. The BCCI president, Mr. Mithun Manas, will present today's Player of the Match award to India's Jemimah Rodrigues. 127 not out of 134 balls as she takes India to the World Cup final. Jemmy, it's the stuff of dreams. I can imagine there's a lot of emotion in you right now. What are your first thoughts?
Firstly, I want to thank Jesus because I couldn't do this on my own. I know He carried me through today. I want to thank my mom, my dad, my coach, and every single person who just believed in me throughout this time. It was really hard these last whole month, but it just feels like a dream and it's not sunk in yet.
Take your time, Jemmy. We'll get through this. You have played an absolute all-time classic knock. Your team is here. I want you to just try and take us through the innings itself. So much emotion, but you also batted 3. At what point were you told you're going to be batting 3 to process that, the emotion of the stage? Take us through that.
I actually didn't know I was batting at 3. I was still at 5. I was taking a shower and then the discussion was happening, so I just told them, let me know. So just before entering in, I think 5 minutes before entering in, I got to know I'm batting at 3. But I didn't think about me. It was not for me to prove a point. It was just for me to win this match for India because we've always lost in crunch situations and I just wanted to be there till the end to take us through.
I saw that in your 100 celebration as well, or rather your non-celebration. You were just focused on getting India over the line?
Yeah, today was not about my 50 or my 100. Today was about making India win. I know I got a few chances, but I just feel that God scripted everything and at the right time when you do things with the right intention, He always blesses, and I just felt everything that happened so far was just a setup for this.
You make your own luck. I won't talk about the opportunities. Yes, they were there. But take us through the emotion of what you've just said. It is your first World Cup, but it's not been an easy World Cup. In and out of the side, back at number 3 today, a different balance as well. How did you deal with all those emotions and what came out today?
Yeah, firstly, last year I was dropped from this World Cup. This year I came in, I thought, okay, I'll try, and I was in good form, let's take it more. But things back to back just kept happening and I couldn't control anything. I had such amazing people around me who believed in me. I've almost cried every day throughout this tour. I was not doing well mentally, going through a lot of anxiety. Then being dropped was another challenge for me. But I think all I had to do was show up and God just took everything, care of everything.
You're so brave and you're an inspiration for just speaking about it so openly, Jemmy. Through the innings though, you keep talking to yourself, you almost motivate yourself. There's a lot of messages to the crowd as well. Just take me through what you keep telling yourself through an innings like that.
Yeah, I think initially I was just playing, I just keep talking to myself. But towards the end I was just quoting one scripture from the Bible because I had lost energy, I was very tired, I was drained, but one scripture that says, just stand still and God will fight for you, and that's what I did. I just stood there and He fought for me.